Mga bata, gusto kong magkwento sa inyo ng isang storya. Ano nga ba mga gusto niyong wish na gusto niyo matupad? Hindi lang ngayong Pasko, kundi sa mga sunod pang araw. Ikaw?
Magkaroon ng kapatid.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Ikaw?
Magkaroon ng kapatid.
Kapatid din. Wow. Ikaw? Gusto mo? Pera? Ikaw? Pagkain? Laptop?
Oo.
Sige. Sa mga wish nyo yan, sino sa tingin nyo ang magtutupad niyan, mga wish nyo? Ikaw?
Amy. Jimmy.
Jimmy? Ikaw? Ikaw?
Mama at Papa.
Wow, si Mami at Daddy. Well, isa sa mga sinabi nyo ang talagang tutupad sa mga wish nyo. Sa story na ikwento ko sa inyo, meron siyang 3 wishes. Pero kilala nyo ba si Winnie?
Hindi po.
Hindi nyo kilala si Winnie kasi kikwento ko pa lang. Si Winnie, ang bida sa story. Ito si Winnie. Ito si Winnie. Meron siyang 3 wishes. At ito ang storya. Hindi kayo mabuti ha. Walang matutulog.
Apo.
Winnie is a star watcher. She loves to watch the stars on bright starry nights. One night, the sky is filled with countless twinkling stars. Winnie excitedly goes out of the house. She lies on a mat spread on the grass in the garden. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might. Have the wish I wish tonight. Softly says Winnie as she watches the falling star. Surprisingly, Winnie finds herself in another place. She looks around and says, "Where am I? Where am I?" Then she hears a sweet voice. She looks up and sees a lovely fairy. "You're in a wonderland, Winnie," says the lovely fairy. Winnie cannot believe what she hears. She asks, "I'm in Wonderland?" "Yes, and here in Wonderland you can make 3 wishes," tells the fairy. Soon, Winnie makes her first wish. "I wish I could ride in a watermelon wagon," Winnie says. In a jiffy, the fairy waves her magic wand. Swish, swish, swish. "Oh, a watermelon wagon!" exclaims Winnie. "What a beautiful watermelon wagon!" Quickly, she rides the watermelon wagon. Soon, the wagon brings her to a palace. This must be a palace. This is where the prince and the princess live. I wish I could play with Princess Waling-Waling. Swish, swish, swish. Out comes pretty Princess Waling-Waling. Soon, Winnie and the princess play. They play and play. They play till the end of the day. Now, Winnie makes her third wish. I wish I were up in the moonboat so I could see the world. Swish, swish, swish. Goes Winnie riding the moonboat. Riding the moonboat, she goes up, up, up in the sky. Yuppie, yuppie, yuppie! Watch me sway, watch me glide. Watch me as I travel up in the sky. Look down. See, see, see. See the glittering lights as you look down from the sky. What an amazing sight. It's getting cold, says Winnie. I must go back home now. But dark clouds start to cover the village. The wind starts to blow. I hear the wind blowing, Winnie worries. It's blowing hard. I'm cold, I'm scared. Mama, Winnie cries. Wake up, little Winnie. mama-shaped wings. Oh, it's only a dream, says Winnie. The end. Yan, napakinggan niyo yung story ni Winnie at ang kanyang 3 wishes. So, ano ba yung unang wish ni Winnie?
Watermelon lalo.
Wow! Alala niya. Ano yung second wish ni Winnie? Ikaw?
Dance with the princess.
Wow! Ano yung last wish?
Makasakay ng mundo.
Wow! So, sa experience ni Winnie, ano yung mga aral na natutunan nyo? Lalaki mo na.
Magdasal bago matulog.
Kailangan magdasal bago matulog. Oo, syempre, kailangan magdasal bago matulog kasi yung iba, nagkakaroon ng nightmares nagkakaroon ng nightmares pag natutulog kasi nga, nag-pray kay Jesus. Eh, di ba si Jesus yung nag-aano sa atin para maging safe yung tulog natin, magkaroon ng sweetest. Meron pa ba ngayong aral na pulot?
Huwag maging makasarili.
Tama, huwag makasarili. Dapat, inaalala niyo yung ibang tao. Huwag lang yung sarili niyo. Kasi pag naging makasarili, tinan mo yung ikaw. Nandun yung sarili mo, di ba? Naakin mo yung pagkain. O yung gardenia, hindi mo i-share kay baby. O baby, sa'yo na yan. Yan, dapat huwag makasarili. Dapat share. Share your blessing. O meron pa ba? Ikaw.
Huwag humiling kung ano-ano.
Tama. Dapat, isipin nyo yung mga i-wish nyo. Kaya tingnan nyo, si Winnie, napahamak siya sa winish niya na magkaroon na makasakay sa moonboat. Dahil doon, nagkaroon siya ng, di ba naging nightmare yun? Para sa kanya, kasi nga, parang sarili na yung iniisip niya din, na winish niya na magkaroon, na makasakay ng moonboat. Eh, hindi iniisip na mas makakabuti lang sa ibang tao, hindi na para sa sarili niya. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So, yun yung end ng kwento ni Winnie and her 3 wishes. So, thank you, Trisha, Chelsea, EJ, Kat, and Elvin. Good night. Have a sweet dream.